Hi there, I'm Esther with Luxe Architectural. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show how easy it is to install our 3-piece wall molding kit. Our premium wood moldings are made here in the USA and arrive fully assembled with special pre-applied adhesive on the back that eliminates the need for nails and/or glue. It also allows for the frames to be repositioned if needed during the installation process. And because we use a high-quality foam adhesive, it will conform and adhere to lightly textured walls. All of our kits come with easy-to-follow instructions and a worksheet, but we're going to cover the same information in this video today. All you'll need is a pencil, a measuring tape, a level, and a laser level if you happen to have one, and a ladder. If you have freshly primed or painted walls, be sure to allow them to thoroughly cure 48 to 72 hours before installation. If you're not priming or painting your walls first, be sure to thoroughly clean it with a cloth sprayed with glass cleaner. Then allow it to dry for about 1 hour. If you've already watched our ordering tips video, then you'll see how we calculated our spacing. If you haven't watched it, the link is below. So based on my calculations from the ordering tips video, I am now going to mark out the spacing on my wall. So now we're ready to put up our first frame. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive. Line it up with your pencil marks. Slowly lower it. Now press lightly so the frames stick but can easily be repositioned if needed. Then keep going with the rest of the frames, double checking your measurements as you go. Once all of the moldings are up and you're happy with your spacing, go ahead and firmly press all the way around. For a permanent seamless application, we recommend caulking around all of the edges, which is super easy as well, but if you need some tips and pointers, we have a caulking video which is linked below. Thanks for following along with me. Now you're ready to give that plain, boring wall in your home a total makeover with high-quality wood moldings.